In this session, I am going to discuss the main points about brain-based learning. Brain-based learning. Brain-based learning theory is based on the structure and function of human brain. As long as the brain continues its normal processes, learning occurs. When an educator understands how the brain works, he or she can help the students to focus their attention and increase their retention. This learning method draws insights mainly from psychology, technology, and neurology. Brain-based learning shows how the discoveries in neuroscience provide insights into how the students learn and how to engage the students in the classroom. Now you can see the building blocks of brain-based learning. Brain-based learning refers to teaching methods, lesson designs, and programs that are based on the latest scientific research about how the brain learns, how students learn differentially as they age, grow, and mature socially, emotionally, and cognitively. Goals of brain-based learning. Maximize the learning potential of an individual. Minimize learning losses and wasted effort. Hijack the known mechanisms to improve skills, knowledge base, memory, and mental flexibility. Create verifiable improvements in learning and make people smarter. Improve the productivity of students and teachers. Brain-based learning is the application of a meaningful group of principles that represent our understanding of how our brain works in the context of education. It encompasses new educational concepts like mastery learning, experiential learning, cooperative learning, problem-based learning, learning styles, multiple intelligence, and practical simulations. Principles of brain-based learning. Brain is a complex adaptive system. The brain is social. We use patterns or representations to learn more effectively. Emotions are crucial to developing pattern. Each brain perceives and creates parts and whole simultaneously. The search for meaning is innate. Instructional techniques associated with brain-based learning. Orchestrated immersion, relaxed alertness, and active processing are the instructional techniques associated with BBL. Orchestrated immersion. It is the creating of learning environment that fully immerse students in an educational experience. Teachers must immerse learners in complex interactive experiences that are both rich and real. Example, immersing students in a foreign culture to teach them a second language. Next is relaxed alertness. Trying to eliminate fear in learners while maintaining highly challenging environment. Students must have a personally meaningful challenge. Such challenges stimulate a student's mind to the desired state of alertness. The last one is active processing. It is allowing the learners to consolidate and internalize information by actively processing it. In order for a student to gain insight about a problem, there must be an intensive analysis of different ways to approach it and about learning in general. Now we shall see the impact of BBL. First of all, impact of BBL on curriculum. Teachers must design learning around student interest and make learning contextual. Impact of BBL on instruction. Educators must let the students learn in teams and use peripheral learning. Teachers should structure learning around real problems, encouraging students to learn in settings outside the classroom and school building. Impact of BBL on assessment. Since all students are learning, their assessment should allow them to understand their own learning style and preferences. This way, students monitor and enhance their own learning processes. Tenets of BBL. Feedback is best when it comes from reality rather than from an authority figure. Second one, people learn best when solving realistic problems. Every brain is different. Hence, educators should allow learners to customize their own environments. The best problem solvers are those that laugh. Brain-based learning. Examples of application in the classroom context. First example is activating prior knowledge. When a teacher introduces topic to his students by activating prior knowledge, he is helping them to build on what they already know. This strengthens the connections in their brains. Next is utilizing tools. Teachers who use rhymes, songs and graphic organizers are already using strategies related to brain-based learning. These strategies assist students to represent their thinking kinesthetically, visually and phonetically. These techniques prime the brain for learning. Advantages. When teachers understand how the brain works, they can create a richer learning environment. Teachers can address their students' emotional and social needs as well as the need of their minds. Teachers can engage the diverse learners in a more fruitful manner, and also they can offer valuable feedback that can lead to a deeper understanding. That's all about brain-based learning summary. Thank you.